Welcome to Manage Transactions module. Let's start by reviewing a docket. From your homepage menu bar at the top left-hand side, select Manage Transactions. You'll now see three icons highlighted. Select Review Modify. Some customers have multiple accounts. Ensure you're reviewing the correct account. If you are not, you can select the arrow key and a slide out from the left-hand side will appear, allowing you to change the account you are managing. You now have two categories in which you can search by: information on a docket or date search. Let's do our first search by information on a docket. In the Search by Category box, select the arrow key. At this time, a slide out will appear from the right-hand side. You can search by batch reference. This refers to an uploaded file. Original docket. This just refers to the original Transaction 1 docket. UMI, which is a CHEP allocated number. A reference number, which is generally your POD or con note. Other reference number, or docket number. Previously I mentioned the original docket number. So we are now referring to any docket including corrections and rejections. In this instance, let's select a docket number. This way, no matter if it is an original docket or a correction or a rejection docket, it will still appear in our search. Select docket number. Notice when I've selected a criteria in this category box, the date category is now greyed out. And you've activated the Enter Search Criteria box. In the Enter Search Criteria box, enter the docket number you wish to search for. Press the Search button. If the docket was found, a green bar will display across your screen, advising you the search was successful. Likewise, if the docket was not found, a red bar will appear across saying unsuccessful. Once the docket appears, you'll be able to view all information on the docket. You can do this by scrolling across your screen or applying the full screen toggle. We've just searched by information on a docket. Now let's look at searching by multiple dockets. Clear our previous search. Select docket number. Enter the dockets you are searching. If you already have a list of these dockets, you can copy and paste them into this section. All dockets should now appear. At any time in Review Modified, the dockets are not in the order you want them. You can select the column header and reverse the order. You also have the option to download this list into Excel. Select the Download key and open in Excel. Let's move to the Date category to search. Scrolling back up to the top of your screen, activate the Date Search category. To do this, you must remove your previous search criteria. The Date category will now be active. Select the arrow key and a slide out will appear from the right-hand side. How would you like to search? you have the options of created date, delivery date, effective date, shipment date, the notification date. Let's select shipment date. Now the From and To is activated. Select the From by clicking on the calendar. Select your date. Select the To, again by clicking on your calendar. Select your date. Once you are happy with the date you have selected, you can press the search key. Once your search is finished, you should be able to view all dockets within your date range. Found 60 dockets. Again, you can view the full dockets by either selecting the full screen, or scrolling across. During this segment, I've been able to demonstrate to you how to review a docket. Now let's look at reprinting a docket. From our previous search, locate the docket you wish to reprint. Highlight the docket number selecting the box. Scroll across until you find the Print button. Select the printer and open the PDF file. You can now reprint your docket. We've now shown you how to review a docket and reprint a docket. Now let's look at advanced search. Clear our previous searches by scrolling up and pressing the Clear button. To complete an advanced search, you must select a date range. Click on Advanced Search, and from the right-hand side, a slide out will appear. At this time, you can include multiple search criteria. Let's search by transaction type and not yet invoiced. Click on Transaction Type. Select Transfers Out Only and press Done. Click on Transaction Status, and I only want to see my clean movements, and press Done. At this time, select your search function. All dockets for transfers out which are clean and will be invoiced will now appear. I've been able to locate 8 dockets within the date range that are transfers out. During this module, you've been exposed to reviewing a docket, reprinting a docket, and how to use the advanced search function. At any time, you can review this session at your own pace. Thank you for taking part in the Review Modify module.